Hey guys, okay, so we are going to the Whitsundays, Great Barrier Reef. We are going to Great Barrier Reef tomorrow. We are going tomorrow. So pack with me. I'm going to try to pack one bag. So this is gonna be hard, okay? So I'm gonna try to pack everything in this bag right here. So we're gonna try. So let's get started. Okay, so first we're gonna get started with my clothes. It's a little messy, so don't judge. Don't judge. I really don't have that much. Like, this is pretty much all my clothes. I do have like 2 or 3 things hanging up over here. I have a few things hanging up. So I'm just gonna like go through all of this right here, and then we're gonna figure out what I need, like bare necessities. Okay, shorts, yes. I have a black one and a blue one. Probably just gonna wear shorts and tank tops the whole time because that's what I got. See, tank top, shorts. Whoa. Blue and black. Perfect. We are going to bring my lava lavas with me because these things, I love them so much. Lifesaver, limited, red, yellow, and green. Sound probably these 2. This one is a good one. This, it matches my swimsuits. I can just like wear it like this. I can even wear this skirt. We're bringing this to swimsuits. I don't have 2 swimsuits. These 2 and these. I like the color of this one. I do have a black top one. Maybe I should bring that one too. Ah, black suit goes with everything. Yeah, we're gonna bring it. Maybe. So, a tank top, yes. I do have this shirt, but like, I ain't really gonna wear it. No. Underwears. I'm gonna be going for a week. So I only need to pack for a week. That's what, 7 pairs of clothes? No, because you can reuse, match. I'm getting there. Oh, we do need to bring my leggings because these are amazing. These are like super cute, and they have pockets. Hands with pockets. What's better than that? So. Excuse the mess, but these are like all the clothes I'm gonna bring, and we're gonna try to fit it all in here. Okay. So we're taking a plane to Whitsundays or Ports Pine Airport. I'm gonna stay there for 2 days, and then I'm gonna take a Greyhound down the east coast of Australia. So that's what we're doing. So excited. Okay, now back to packing. So I'm probably just gonna bring my slippers here because I love my slippers. I hate shoes. And I'll just leave that as that. So this bag has like a bottom. Oh, my towel, which is wet because I took a shower. So we'll put my towel in there later. But I'm so excited. Sand for my last trip. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Emergency flashlight and needle. I don't know why. What am I gonna wear tomorrow? We'll figure it out. Okay. So, first thing, we'll put these in my bag first. Well, I'm gonna paint my nails later too. So, did you know that rolling saves a little bit of space? Sometimes. So I think somebody said like roll like the soft fabrics and then fold like the denim and jeans and stuff, and that it like saves you more space or something. So I don't know. That's how I've been packing forever. Like that's how I've been able to fit everything in my tiny little suitcases. But I've never just traveled with a bag, so I'm so excited because traveling with just one bag definitely makes life so much easier. The towel goes right here. can't. I love my lava lovers. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. I cannot express how excited. Two. So that's what, 2 days? 2 days worth? You know what I realized? I only brought one tank top. Guess we'll just make these a top. Rolling, 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 rolling. Ooh, hear that? Ooh. People always look at me like, ew, that was your neck? Yes. I know it's probably not healthy, but disregard that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh gosh, my eczema's coming back. Ugh. So bad. I got my eczema back on both sides, like right here and right here. Guys, it's already full. Guess that's all we can bring. Maybe I'll wear this too. Now we're gonna get toiletries. Just got off my period, so luckily don't have to worry about that. And then my girl's like, what do we need to bring? Alright. My little toiletries desk. Stuff. Just in case I get a tattoo, some soap. If I get a cut. Get this cute little bag. This is gonna be so hard to brush my hair with. It's either this big thing or this thing. We're going for this. Much easier to pack into my bag that's already full. Okay, so this is my cute little bag here. And you know what else I need to bring? My contacts. I need my contact stuff so I can see. Because I'm blind. I'll be able to see your face from here. And my handy dandy toiletry bags. Ooh. Travel size. There's like barely enough in here. 2 point something fluid ounce. My contacts. I use dailies. It just makes life a little easier, a little bit. Just better handy dandy. Many things. I love you. So I wanna know what I want to do. Anybody else love NF music? I love NF. How many contacts should I bring? Because it's gonna be for what, 7 days? 7 days should be enough. I'm also gonna bring glasses. Which one should I bring? I'm gonna bring my white one. Not these glasses. So like my nighttime ones. Yeah, fine. You know what I gotta bring? I should bring pajama pants. Just gonna bring shorts. Oh, toothbrush. You need to brush your teeth, folks. So here's our toiletries that should hopefully last us the week. But you know what we are gonna bring? My GoPro. It's actually my auntie's. Okay, sweet. My towel is dry now. Also gonna bring this. Gotta put all this stuff in my bag now. Even though it's already full. Don't mind my messy bag. Yeah, we're gonna do parts later. These is a microfiber. Oh, it's still wet a little bit. Microfiber towels, the best product ever. Super thin, soaks up really easily. It's really good. Okay, so we're gonna put this in this secret pocket right here. That's the pocket. I'm sure it's made for shoes, but that's okay. Oh, handy. We'll put it with my towel. Okay, so here we go, my passport. Very important to have this. Have your important documents with you. Pepper spray. I could take this. I feel like this won't do very much. But hey, feels nice to have it. Okay. Oh. Deodorant. This one smells good. No, it's not. I forgot what it's called because it looks like that. Oh, these are my house keys. I definitely need these. Oh, what? These are cool. It kind of breaks. I'm just scared. It's good for your phone. So I can take it in the water. You know, just in case. Contact solution, sunscreen, first aid, glasses. Well, this is like the size of it. It's pretty good size. This is a week worth of stuff. Oh my gosh, it's almost fall. We will make it work. GoPro. This is my travel buddy. This is Husky. I know, I'm 21 and I still have a stuffed animal. Yes. He's my travel buddy though, so. My home dog right here. My home dog. My toiletries, very important. The bottle barely fits. Just barely. Does everything fit? Nice, it might all actually fit in my bag. Yeah. So tomorrow, plane leaves at 10 o'clock. I want to get there at least an hour or two before. So I have to leave at like 7. I think I'm just gonna catch the bus. Cheapest, it's like $2, 3, maybe 4. Then we're headed to Whitsundays, the Great Barrier Reef. I'm so excited. So excited. So excited. Wow. This is pretty much everything, but it all fits. That's crazy. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me for that. I'm so excited for the trip, and you guys can definitely subscribe to see my trip. It's gonna be so fun. I might not capture everything that seems super fun and exciting, but I'm so excited. Like, anyways, thank you guys for watching. You guys have a good night or a good day, whatever time of day it is, and peace.